So, what type of or what kind of science experiment is this?
What kind of science experiment is this? It's a science experiment bouncy egg.
What do you need?
You'll need egg, jar, or glass, vinegar.
What is the instructions?
Carefully place the egg in the jar. Cover the egg with vinegar and leave for 24 hours. Carefully rinse the egg underwater and place back in the vinegar until you can wash away the shell easily.
Okay, so for now we're just gonna put the eggs in the jar and cover them with vinegar.
Vinegar.
And then we'll wait 24 hours. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, carefully. Alright, now put on your glasses. We don't have safety goggles, but for safety, to protect our eyes. Okay, go ahead. Get the glass closer to you. And then ready. Alright. Here, I'm gonna hold this. So only to cover the eggs. Is it covered?
There.
Alright, is it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, close the vinegar. What type of vinegar did you use?
King vinegar.
Okay, so now you cover the eggs. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna wait for...
For 24 hours.
Okay, so I'm not sure if we're gonna cover it or not, but let's just not cover it. Okay, so you'll be back tomorrow after 24 hours. What time is it? Anong oras na? So it's 1:48. So tomorrow we're gonna check it at what time? 1:48
1:48
p.m.
p.m.
Okay, all right. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, after 24 hours.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay, so it's after 24 hours now. This is 2 p.m. And can you tell us again what you did yesterday?
We carefully place the egg in the jar, cover the egg with vinegar, and leave for 24 hours.
Okay, so 24 hours is over. What is the next step now?
Carefully rinse the egg underwater and place back in the vinegar until you can wash away the shell easily.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, let's go.
Until the brown goes away. It's so soft.
Okay, yeah, that's what happens.
It's like chicken squishes.
So what did it say? Put it back in the vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, put this one.
Okay.
This is what we just did. Carefully rinse the egg underwater and place back in the vinegar until can wash away the shell easily.
Which is the shell was
Shell is what?
wash away easily, right?
Yeah. Wash
Okay.
it
So
easily.
now, what's the extra challenge you're gonna do?
Can you bounce the egg?
Okay, can you try?
Okay, I'll get one then.
Get the one at the bottom.
Oh my god, it's already cracked.
Okay. Now, hold on. What is the instruction? Can you bounce the egg? Okay, can you bounce it? Oh, it's bouncing. Oh! Okay, so that was the next challenge. So at what height did the egg break? Over here, it's about maybe that's fine. That was part of the challenge. See here? It was bouncing, right?
Oh my god.
And then it breaks at what height? This is probably like 8 inches. 8 inches tall. So that was the height. And then now Here, what's the last one?
If you want to remove the shell faster, rinse it every couple of hours and place back in fresh vinegar. At least I tried it.
Okay, that's done. So you have another one here. Good thing you have another one. So, but the experiment is done, right? But we're gonna save it for later and check again if the shell will come off again. It says a couple hours more, correct? What does it say? What does the last instruction say?
If you want to remove the shell faster, rinse it every couple of hours and place back in fresh vinegar.
Okay, so because this one's break already, so we're gonna go on this one. But that's gonna be for later. We're not gonna do that anymore. So, did the egg browns?
Yes.
And how high was until the egg broke?
As high as the jar.
As the jar. It was probably like 10 inches or 8, about 8 to 10. All right, so you're done. Success.
Success.
All right. Okay, don't play with the egg now. Okay, bye.